Let me go back to the day that this building was dedicated. My husband was governor at the time, and so he came for the dedication. I was not able to join him, but afterwards, Virginia Oldrick called me and she said she'd like to give me a tour. And I was so overwhelmed after that tour because I thought, this is amazing. But when I really learned about the Governor's School was when my son Luke attended. And his experience here gave me a greater depth of appreciation for the faculty in this place, what they do, how they inspire these students, not only inspire them academically, but inspire them creatively. I'm very proud of these kids that have the courage to go to a Juilliard, go to an NYU, go to a University of Chicago. I'm so proud of them for having the courage to take that step outside of South Carolina and allow themselves to grow, because when they come back as adults to South Carolina, they are going to give us and inspire our state. They are our leaders. They're from all over South Carolina. They're from privileged neighborhoods, they're from disadvantaged neighborhoods, but they all come to this school and they form a bond and a peer group like no other. And I see this school as a jewel in our state, not only developing our leaders and ambassadors of the future, but I see this school as saving lives. And I know that this school has saved some lives of these children. And I hope that others in South Carolina and corporations, individuals, that as they begin to see the success of these kids after they leave this school, as they begin to learn about it, they're going to see exactly what I see, that these kids are our future, and we have to invest in this school to continue to develop these children going forward, because this is the future of South Carolina.